This is the new ZMI zPower Trio desktop charger with 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port. In the front upper right corner here, it says a USB-C to USB-C cable is included. Going over the back of the packaging, it lists the specification, box content, and tech support information. Let's unbox it and see what's inside. The zPower Trio desktop charger is wrapped in a plastic protection sleeve. There is a sticker placed over the USB ports to prevent dust from getting in there. There are 2 USB-C ports on the left and in the middle. The left USB-C port has a smartphone icon and a laptop icon underneath it. The middle USB-C port has a smartphone icon and a tablet icon. The right port is a USB-A port with no icon. Let's take a look at the back of it. It has the certification logos, the AC input right in the middle, and the technical information on the right side. The zPower Trio desktop charger feels rugged, very sturdy, and not very heavy. There is a white box inside the packaging. Inside it, there is the USB-C to USB-C cable. And the AC power cord with a Velcro strap around it. It also comes with the user guide. Let's go through it real quick. And finally, the thank you card. So now we'll use the zPower Trio desktop charger with a Dell XPS 13, an Android phone, and an iPad mini. First, connect the zPower Trio desktop charger with the provided AC power cord to the power outlet. Next, we will first charge the Dell XPS 13 using the USB-C to USB-C cable. And we are using the left USB-C ports of the zPower Trio desktop charger, which can provide up to 65 watts PD. Okay, now let's use the USB-C ports in the middle of the zPower 3.0 desktop charger. When using both of the USB-C ports at the same time, the left USB-C port PD will reduce from 65 watts to up to 45 watts, and the middle USB-C port can provide up to 18 watts PD. You could use it to charge your smartphone or use it to recharge your power bank. For the USB-A port on the right, you can use it to charge a tablet like what we have here. It's an iPad mini. When all three ports are in use, the left USB-C port will have up to 45 watts PD, and the middle USB-C port and the right USB-A port will have a combined 18 watts with 5 volts output. When the right USB-A port is used alone, it will have 18 watt QC output. Thank you for watching. If you want to keep up with our new product announcement and updates, please subscribe to our channel and like our Facebook page.